Hi, this is Moshe Morris again from Search Marketing Courses. In our last tutorial, we had a brief introduction to tags, and we pointed out that tags are really the kind of the basic building blocks of HTML. Now I want to take a second and just discuss the basic structure of an HTML page or document. There really are three different types of tags you have to know for the basic structure. The first is, we saw last time, the HTML tags. That's the opening and closing HTML page. That's really where everything in HTML happens within these two tags and any given page. The other two tags that we need to know about are the header tags, or actually the head tag, and the body tag. These two tags right here are where the bulk of the information that we're going to put in is placed. I mean, basically everything that we're going to need, except for maybe one or two things, but it's going to be in these two sections. The header tag is where usually information that's not so readily apparent to a visitor appears. If you have, let's say, a JavaScript, usually it'll go in the header tag. The meta tags, for anybody who's familiar with that, go in the header tag. Those are things that are usually only visible to a search engine. If you have a link to a CSS document, a style sheet, which we'll get into maybe in another set of tutorials in CSS, that would also go here. Information that the browser or other computer or programs need to know, that usually appears in the head tag. The body tag is where the information that your visitors, the people who come to your pages, that's where that's where the information that they see is placed. That's the title of of the particular document that you're working on, not to be confused with the title of the page. Those are two different things. So that's let's say the title of your article, the body of your article, pictures and graphics and videos and podcasts, everything like that. All that information, all the information that your visitors can read and access and interact with, that generally appears in the body tag. So this is the basic structure of an HTML document, and that's that's basically what you need to know to understand how to organize your documents. There is something called a doc type, but maybe I'll talk about in another video, but for now this is good. Alright, this is Moshe Morris from Search Marketing Courses. Be well, bye bye.